Hey, what's up everybody? I just wanted to share a build that I'm working on at the moment. Right here I've got a Fractal Design Core 1100, which is an older case. It's been around for more than 10 years, but I bought this case because it features two 5¼ inch disk drive bays, and you can see I've got a Blu-ray drive in here already. And for a motherboard, I've got the MSI B550 VC with Wi-Fi, and this is an AM4 socket motherboard, and of course we've got an RTX 3050 graphics card to go with it, and 16 gigabytes of DDR4 is the memory, and we've also got a 256 gigabyte M.2 in here, which is gonna mostly just keep the operating system on it, and I'm gonna feature an additional 2.5-inch SSD, and I will also be putting a 3.5-inch hard drive in this extra 5¼ inch slot, and this will hold a standard 160mm ATX power supply, which I'm still waiting on along with the CPU.